What up guys, I'm here. Yes, it's that time. Drum roll, please. My first food blog, yes, and what am I going to do? Some amazing Gordon Ramsay master chef meal? No, I'm doing scrambled egg. Yeah, scrambled egg, yeah. You heard it, scrambled egg. Yeah, so now I'm going to go into my beautiful, massive kitchen with the countertops of granite and my 4,000 pound Arga. No, I'm not. I'm going into my very small kitchen. So, hope it's good enough for you. Maybe one day I'll have all that stuff, but not yet. Anyway, let's get in the kitchen and see how to cook scrambled egg. Right, first of all, you need a frying pan. Any good frying pan will do. Non-stick are better, but just remember, if you use non-stick, to wash it without using a scouring pad, because you'll take the lining off the pan, and then it'll just be like a normal pan. I tend to not use oil doing scrambled egg, because when you're doing scrambled egg, you're mixing it around. So, what next? Use free range eggs, do not use caged eggs. They're just better quality. You're going to get a consistency with the yolk and the egg, white. So, and get large ones. Beaker, jug, whatever you want to call it. Right. Do not have to use any milk at all. Milk is just to bulk it up. It will add more calories to your eggs, more fat to your eggs, and you don't need it. If you want to bulk up your scrambled eggs, you can buy liquid egg whites, which you can just pour in with your scrambled egg while you're doing it, and it will give you more protein, less fat, and saves you doing all the hard work, which I'm going to show you now. Right, I'm going to show you how to do a healthy egg first, which is the egg white, separating the egg white from the egg yolk. If you're shredding, you will be eating egg whites more than the yolk. The yolk is got a lot more fat in it, and it is good fat, but if you're on a shredding diet, you don't want to have fat. If you're having 4 eggs a day, you're going to be putting at least about 35 to 40 grams of fat in just one meal. So it's not advisable, because obviously you're going to have eggs at the start of the day, so you've got to make sure that you're careful. What I tend to do is I'm bulking at the moment now, so I'm having 4 eggs, but I usually have 4 eggs. I have 2 egg whites and 2 just normal eggs. Right, separating, crack it. So it's like that, and then let whatever runs out runs out. No! Didn't do that. See, this is why it's better getting egg whites. Even I do it. Right, take 2. Crack the egg, not so hard. Separate it. Now you've got a bit of egg white ran in. You've got the egg in one side. Then you just convert it, tilting it over to the other side. You'll see the egg white is running through the eggs. So then you've just got egg whites. If you don't want to chuck away the egg yolk, which I am because I don't care, You can make mayonnaise out of egg yolks. Yes, that's how you make mayonnaise. What you do is you put a load of egg yolks in one of these, get some olive oil, start whisking it, slowly tipping the olive oil, and it'll come to a mayonnaise consistency without all the bad stuff in it. So it's a bit more healthier. Anyway, got that in. Get a fork, whisk it up like that. And then you've got this, right? If you haven't got a cooker and you haven't got a pan and you're like a student but you've got a microwave, put this in the microwave for a minute, whisk it up after a minute, put it back in the microwave for another minute, and you will have scrambled egg. Of course, if you have more eggs, I've only got 2 in here just to show the video, but if you've got more eggs, it'll take a little bit longer, but make sure you stop it halfway through and whisk it to break it up to make it scrambled egg. And there you have scrambled egg in the microwave. Right, heat on. I've got a normal cooker which has up to 6. If you whack it up to 6, all you're gonna do is you're gonna stick on the pan. It's gonna burn it, and it's no good. So put it on medium heat, halfway. Spatula. Yep, get a spatula or a wooden spoon. Do not use metal on metal. It will scratch it. Of course, take off the coating and wreck the pan. When you hear it starting sizzling, you can use oil if you're scared, because it's not really going to do much, but I do not use oil. I can't be bothered. Right, then tip in the egg. And then all you do, look at that. See, this is the thing. You gotta be careful with eggs because they have like the fetuses and they have little baby minging bits like that in it. That's disgusting. Anyway, get rid of that. Right, and all you do is you stand here for about 2 minutes and keep on moving it around all over the place until you get scrambled egg. So, I'm not going to bore you with 2 minutes, so I'm zooming it.